We're talking about graphing from Vertex form, and so just another example here. First thing to decide is how is my graph going to open? This is a -2 in for my a value on a x minus h squared plus k. If the a is negative, I know it's going to open down. Next, I find my vertex. The vertex is located at hk, so since this is negative h, -4 becomes a +4 in the vertex, and a k value of -2. The axis of symmetry is at x equals +4, just the x value from my vertex. Now, if we think about this, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, and -2 as my vertex. This is opening downward. X-intercepts are up here, so there are actually no x-intercepts. You could say none or does not exist. Now I'm going to go to my y-intercepts. Y-intercepts occur when x is equal to 0, so -2, 0 minus 4 squared minus 2. -4 squared is 16. 16 times -2 is going to be -32. -32 minus 2 will give me my y-intercept at 0, -34. Okay, that's going to be way down here, but that's okay. At least we know what it is. I may want to get some more points to graph this because 0, -34, I don't even have that on this graphing area. So what you can do if you come across a situation like this is just put in your vertex into a table and plug in some points around it. Well, let's figure out what 3 would be, and let's figure out what 5 would be. They should be the same because they're on either side of this magical axis of symmetry at x equals 4, where everything looks the same on either side. So plug in a 5. 5 minus 4 is going to be 1. 1 squared is still 1. -2 minus 2 is going to be -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the other side, I can have the same thing. You could do another point, and you've still got a nice graph.